Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This feels so weird recording myself. This is my first video where I'm actually talking. I've been posting some quick tutorials for the past couple months, but this is my official sitting here in front of the camera, looking at it, talking to it. So don't mind if I keep looking around because it's a little awkward. But yeah, so I just did this look that's inspired by NIKKIETutorials. She just did it a couple days ago. So I just recorded a close-up of how I did the eye. I did not record the face or anything, so it's just the eye look. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with darkest red I have is this lipstick from ColourPop in the shade Rooch. So I'm gonna be sticking just a little bit at the corner to darken it up, just in the corner. Tap it right on top, and I'm gonna go in small circular motions just in that corner, like right on top of where I put the darker red. Keep using the shadow and keep blending. Go in a little V. Very gently. I'm gonna bring it in as well a little bit. Since I used the lip, liquid lip, it is very dark, so I'm gonna have trouble blending it with the red shadow. So I'm gonna use this next brown shade to kind of be the transition between this dark color and the red. So I will put the brown shade right over here. Start to see a little bit of darkening around the corners. So that's what I want. Use it to start to slowly blend this out upwards. And towards the inner corner as well. Not right to the corner, but just keeping it in this area, so just in the crease. I use that peachy tone to just use right at the top of this reddish tone to blend it out. Ooh, my lash. I'm going to use the dark red lipstick, the liquid lipstick we used up here, I'm gonna use it in my outer corner, going about halfway, and very tight and close to the lash hair because we're going to blend this out with the same shadows we used up here. So going in with the same shadows I used at the top to blend this out. And I'm gonna pretty much lay my brush on top of it and a little bit below to make sure there's a good transition. Just use my pinky. I feel I always get the best pigment from any of these metallic shades with my fingers. And I'm also going to use a little bit of a different shade to mix it in there. As you can see, this looks a little more golden, so just tap over. To make sure right here blends out good, I'm gonna use I'm gonna place it right in the middle and just use this blending brush to make it look blend. I'm gonna use these as a rattle, if that's how you pronounce it. This pair right here, it's called Legendary. So I usually set the middle first. Well, I usually do, or I usually do the corners and then I'll work my way inwards. Because it always lifts in the middle depending on how flexible the band is. But yeah, so those are the two ways. And then I pretty much just try to pinch it all the way and try to, like this one looks a little wonky, but yeah, so I pretty much just try to pinch it and bring it as close to the hairline as I can. I'm gonna fix this later. And I'm just using the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Mascara for my lower lash.
Comprehend.